So here we are with the chapter exponent and powers. And this chapter basically is related to the power notation, how to represent in the form of power, how to represent in the form of exponent, and using the laws of exponent, and what if the powers are common, then how to add the powers, okay, and how to add the bases, how to multiply the bases, how to deal with different bases when the power is same. So these all kind of questions are based on this chapter only. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले शुरुआत करते हैं. These are the first we are talking about the laws of exponent, जो कि हमने शुरुआत में ही पढ़ा था. ठीक है, सबसे first law which I taught you is that if the base are same, powers are different, and in between there is a sign of multiply, the powers are always added together. ठीक है, so this give you the addition of power, and the common base will be there. This was the first law which we studied. For same example के लिए, if you have -3 to the power -3 and another one is -3 to the power -5, now you can see again the same base, in between there is a sign of multiply, again the powers will be added, and it will give you -8. Okay, now the second law which we studied is if the bases are same, ठीक है, and powers are different, but in between there is a sign of division. In between there is a sign of division, so in that case the powers are always subtracted. So for example, it will give you -5, 7 minus 8, 7 minus 8, which will give us -5 to the power 7 minus 8 means it will give you -1. Okay, now moving on to the next question of the same pattern only. Suppose the question is 5 by 3 to the power 5 divided by 5 upon 3 to the power 8, then what will be the answer in this case? It will be 5 upon 3, because it is called base here. 5 upon 3, 5 minus 8. So जब आप solve करोगे, so it will be 5 upon 3, 5 minus 8 means it will give you -3. Okay, now you can see on the board only there are some questions, some of the number which are written as the positive power, ठीक है, like 2 to the power 8, but there are numbers which are written with negative powers, ठीक है, which are written with negative powers. And if you must be remembering in my previous classes, you must be knowing it that we don't write the negative powers. Okay, we don't write the negative powers, and if the power has come negative, so you make it positive. And how to make negative power as a positive power, this I have already taught you. Now let me just turn over those powers only which are negative. Okay, I am just rubbing rest positions. I am just taking up the powers which has come in negative form. Now look at here. Okay, I rubbed all cases which were of positive. I just took it these numbers only which came in negative power. So always remember, if you have to make any power negative to positive, अगर आपको कोई भी नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाना है, तो यू जस्ट नीड टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस. ठीक है, आपको जस्ट उसके बेस को रेसिप्रोकल कर देना है, और जैसे ही आप बेस को रेसिप्रोकल कर देते हो, द पावर बिकम्स ऑटोमेटिक पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस वन, -3 का जो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा -1/3, एंड जो पावर -8 थी वो कन्वर्ट होकर के हो जाएगी ओनली 8. ठीक है, यू जस्ट नीड टू डू द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस. ठीक है, आपको बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करना है. ठीक है, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द सेम पोजीशन व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस केस. ठीक है, the power is, the base is written here -5 and the power is here -1. The same thing again, you have to just reciprocal the base, और जैसे ही आप बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करते हो, you will get the power as +1. So ये हो जाएगा -1/5 to the power 1, -1/5 to the power 1, which will give you a simple solution now. Okay, so now I would request the last question to you to do it. You do it and answer in the chat box, please. Now, so as you all know, it was 5/3. It was not -1. Okay, it was a normal 5/3, and the power was negative. So I have to make it positive. Then I will have the reciprocal of the base. So 5/3 will convert into 3/5. Then we will have the bracket, and then -3 will become the +3. This is finished now. Okay, so this is the main confusing part जो हम लोगों ने अभी किया ना, that was only the main confusing thing, and so that is why we have written it now. We have understood this procedure is also true for changing this portion also. तो अगर आपको, आप जैसे ही बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करते हो, जैसे ही आप बेस को रेसिप्रोकल करते हो, पावर जो होती है वो ऑटोमेटिक साइन चेंज कर देती है. Like if a positive power is there, it will become negative power, and if it is a negative power, for example like this, if it is a negative power, it will automatically become the positive power. Okay, so remember the power will become only change. So this was the important law, जो कि सबसे important law में बोला जाता है, जो कि सबसे confusing थे. थर्ड law भी पढ़ लिया. So now fourth law. The fourth law is power of power. Power of power. For example, if you are having any number x y z, कोई भी number हो, अगर उसकी power हमेशा मेरे पास अगर 0 है, if the power of any base is 0, then the answer will not be 0, it will be only 1. Student used to write 0. Remember, any base is having the power 0, that equals to 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/3 की पावर 0 भी 1 होता है, -5/7 की पावर भी 0 होता है, दैट इज 1. एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग x की पावर 0, दैट इज ऑल्सो 1. एंड 1 की पावर 0 भी 1 ही होता है. तो रिमेंबर, एनी बेस, कुछ भी बेस हो सकता है, नेगेटिव बेस, पॉजिटिव बेस, वेरिएबल बेस, and the fraction base, the rational number base, any number. Remember, any number, if it is having the base, anything base, and if the power is 0, remember the answer would be 1. Okay, the answer would be 1. सबसे पहले if you will see here, it is written 2 to the power 0. तो सबसे पहला बेटा 2 to the power 0 का मतलब 1 into 3 to the power 0, which will also give you 1, into again 5 to the power 0, which will also give you 1 only. ठीक है, upon 2 to the power 0, which will again give you 1, plus 3 to the power 0, which will also give you 1, again plus 5 to the power 0, which will also give you 1. ठीक है, now moving on to 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is multiplied, how many times you want to multiply, it will give you only 1. ठीक है, upon 1 plus 1 plus 1, which will give you 3. So remember, the answer of this question would be only 1/3. Normally पता चल जाता है. For example, अभी तक you were doing the questions or you were doing the laws where the base were equal and the powers were different. Base were equal when the powers were different. But what we'll do, we'll just opposite, we'll do it opposite now. 5 to the power 3 multiply by 7 to the power 3. Now you can see here, the base are different and the powers are same. ठीक है, इस बार just opposite किया हमने, base are different and the powers are same. So what we do, हम लोग साइन देखते हैं पहले कि किसका साइन लगा है यहाँ पे. So we will write it down 5 into 7 together as a common, and the base will become here 3. Sorry, the power will become only 3. The base will become the common, including sign. Remember, including sign, we will write it down like this, and the power will become 3, which will give us 35 to the power 3. Now the same thing for division also it is true, like 3/7 to the power 8, okay, and divided by 3/7 to the power, sorry, I am taking it 21 to the power 27 to the power 8. Now look at here. Same thing. Powers are same. Base are different. And in between there is a sign of division. तो हम क्या करेंगे, फिर से वही काम करेंगे. We will take it common and the power will become the common and the base we will take it down inside a bracket. Like for example, 3 upon 7 will remain here only. Division will be division only, and 21 upon 27 will remain like this only here, and ये जो 8 और ये वाला 8 हो जाएगा common में, because this 8 power is for this number also, the 8 power is for this number also. So we'll write it down the common power, that is 8, and और इनके साइन के साथ हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. तो अब इसको जब सॉल्व करोगे तो it will give you 3/7. डिविजन विल कन्वर्ट इनटू मल्टीप्लाई, बिकॉज हमें फ्रैक्शन की तरह इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, एंड दिस विल गिव यू 27 अपॉन 21. और जब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे so you will get it 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. ठीक है, and now it will not cancel, it will give you 27 upon 49 to the power 8. ठीक है, now always remember these conditions are only true when you have either multiply or you have division. आपने चेक किया होगा, मैंने जितने भी लॉज आपको पढ़ाए हैं they are only true for multiplication and division. There is no addition, there is no subtraction between them. Always remember this thing. यहाँ पर भी मैंने केवल मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड सॉल्व किया है. ठीक है, इसके पहले जो मैंने आपको 4 लॉज बताए they are also related to multiply and division only. There is no such law for addition and subtraction. ठीक है, so remember we have done all together all the laws. Now let us apply them in some questions. ठीक है, so सबसे पहला एक important चीज याद रखिए, हम मोस्टली ऐसे नंबर्स हमारे पास आते हैं जिनको हम बेस और पावर के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, और ये हमें आना भी चाहिए अपने मन से सोच करके कि हाउ कैन वी मेक इट सिंप्लीफाई. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज एनी नंबर वॉट एवर इट इज, एनी नंबर कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पावर. हर नंबर को हम पावर के नोटेशन में लिख सकते हैं, हर नंबर को. लाइक 7 है, अगर 7 नहीं ब्रेक हो रहा है लेकिन तभी हम 7 टू द पावर 1 लिख सकते हैं. 1 we can write it down any number with the power 0. always remember. So याद रखिएगा, कोई भी नंबर हो हम उसको एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर बेस के फॉर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं उसको इजीली. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक वी हैव 343. 343 कैन बी रिटन लाइक 7 into 7 into 7. अब ये तो बेटा मुझे याद था. आप सोच रहे हो कि मैम ने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. मैम ने इसलिए लिख दिया क्योंकि मैम को ये चीज याद थी. और याद कब होती है, जब हम we are doing lots of questions. ठीक है, हम जब इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस कर चुके होते हैं तो हमें ये चीजें याद हो जाती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2197, दिस इज अ नंबर. हाउ विल वी राइट इट डाउन? 13 into 13 into 13. ठीक है, 1 2 3, सो 13 की पावर 3. 1 2 3 मतलब 7 की पावर 3. okay, so this I know because I have done lots of questions. And when you will do lots of questions, you will also remember this one. Like for example, 32. 32 means 2 to the power 5, which I remember. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Same thing, जब 32 2 की power 5 हुआ तो 64 क्या बन गया? 2 की power 6, because 32 2 जा 64 होता है, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 की power 6. सेम थिंग 2 की पावर 7 कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? 128. अगर 256 क्वेश्चन में कहीं आ गया, इट मींस यू कैन राइट इट डाउन 2 टू द पावर 8. 49 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 7 की पावर 2. ठीक है, 81 क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? 3 टू द पावर 4. 27 हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3 की पावर 3. तो ये चीजें तब आती हैं बेटा, ये हम क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई करते हैं. हम 25 को हमेशा 5 की पावर 2 लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये हम तब लिखते हैं जब हमको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करते हुए ना आंसर याद हो जाते हैं कि हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, सपोज मुझे याद नहीं है, ये तो मुझे याद थे इसलिए मैंने लिख दिया. सपोज मुझे याद नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100 कहाँ से आता है? आई डोंट नो. ठीक है, 100 कहाँ से आता है? आई रियली डोंट नो अबाउट इट. देन व्हाट वी विल डू, जिस नंबर के बारे में आपको नहीं पता है, just simply take its prime factorization. ठीक है, take its prime factorization, because prime factorization is the way which divide any number, which break any number in its product of primes. ठीक है, हर नंबर को ब्रेक किया जा सकता है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के थ्रू, एंड जब हम ब्रेक करते हैं वी गेट मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स. सो सपोज लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय 100 एंड यू आर नोइंग कि ऑलवेज टेक ओनली प्राइम नंबर, बिकॉज प्राइम नंबर से ही आता है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. So you can take start by 2, it will give you 2 5s are 10, 0 ka 0. Again you can start by 2, it will give us 25. Now it will not go by 5 2, it will go by 5, 5 5s are 25, and then again 5 1s are 5. Now you can see here 2 came 2 times, so we will write it down 2 to the power 2. Okay, 5 came 2 times, means 5 to the power 2. So now I can write it down this, but you are knowing that ma'am can simplify more it. And we can I can more simplify it. How can I simplify it? Base are different but powers are same. So I can write it down like this. So I can write it down either like this, or I can write it down either like this. Both the क्वेश्चन कम्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन क्या क्वेश्चन मुझे मिला है. ठीक है, रिमेंबर क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करता है कि मुझे कैसा वैल्यू चाहिए है. ठीक है, लाइक अगर मुझे 10 की जरूरत है, उस समय 10 बेस की जरूरत है, आई टेक इट 10 टू द पावर 2. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन अगर मुझे 2 और 5 की जरूरत पड़ रही है, क्वेश्चन में हमारा क्वेश्चन जो है वो हर जगह पर 2 और 5 शो कर रहा है, तो आई विल टेक इट अप 2 एंड 5 एज वेल. ठीक है,